Hello students, today we discuss about the vegetative reproduction in Markensia, gametophyte. So first of all, Markensia, as you know, it is a amphibious plants and it is heterothallic. So according to the vegetative reproduction, it takes place by the three different means. It by the fragmentation, by adventitious branches and gamma formation. So what is fragmentation? So due to the progressive death and decay, older parts of the thallus get separated. Small young branches separate from the parent thallus, and each young branch grows in gametophyte. So due to the death or decay of the some parts of these thallus, the small or smaller young branches will be developed or separated from the parent thallus, and they will be grow as a gametophyte. So this is the simpler way of the vegetative reproduction. Then in the vegetative or the second vegetative reproduction is by the adventitious branches. So this is the adventitious branches are the special branches, and they arises from the any part of the thallus on the ventral surface. So these adventitious branches get separated from the parent thallus, and they will be grow as a new gametophyte. Most of the uh, for MCQs, so, it is asked where the adventitious branches are present. So कहाँ पे these adventitious branches are present? So on the ventral surface. जो ventral surface रहता है वहाँ पे adventitious branches present रहते. When these branches will be separated from the parent plants, they will grow as a new thallus. Then third types of vegetative reproduction is the gamete formation. So in it is most efficient and unique method of the vegetative reproduction in Markensia, or it is the identifying features of the Markensia. So these gamete are the asexually reproductive bodies. They are produced in cup or shaped structure and known as gamete cup, which is present on the dorsal surface of the thallus. So each gamete cup has a two-tier membranous margin, and inside it gamete present. So each gamete body is very minute, lens-shaped notch at middle, and multicellular and dark green in color. So mostly these gamete cups are developed on the dorsal surface. So it is important. Dorsal surface पे ही हमें जो cup like structure दिखते हैं, that is the gamma cup. So this cup or gamma cup having the two-tier membranous margin रहता है उसके ऊपर. So and inside that these gamete are present. So these gamete are the sexually reproductive bodies. This each gamete body is very minute, और it is having the lens. हम जो हम लेंस देखते हैं, लेंस की शेप का है, नॉच रहता है, और on that notch at the middle these multicellular green colored gamete are present. So each gamete has a single growing point at the notch. So these are the polygonal and chlorenchymatous cells, and the few cells of the gamete contain some oil bodies. So they also known as the oil cells. So gamete is thick in middle and thin towards the margin. Each gamete has few isolated superficial cells in the central region. So these are called the rhizoidal cells. These cells developed into the rhizoids during germinations of the gamete. The mature gamete are on reaching suitable substratum. They will be germinated as a new gametophyte. After the development of dichotomous lobes of each side, the main body of the gamma separates. Thus, two daughter cells are formed from the single gamma. When what's happened when these mature gamma are formed the suitable substratum, at that time this main body of this gamma will be separated and they form the two daughter cells. So each will be grow as a new gametophyte. So from one gamma cup we can got the two gametophyte. Or gamma produces the male or female gametophyte forms. So it is the asexual reproductive body. So they can develop a male as well as female gametophyte, but on these different thallus. Not both sex are not present on the same thallus. It is present on the different thallus. So this is the main features of the Markensia, that is the gamma cup, and is मोस्टली प्रेजेंट ऑन द डॉर्सल साइड. डॉर्सल साइड्स में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं. और जो इसका जो गेमा कप रहता है दैट इज कवर्ड बाय द मेम्ब्रेनस मार्जिन. तो दिस गेमा एट it is very minute structure, lens shaped, and they are middle multicellular, green in colors. They are सिंगल ग्रोइंग पॉइंट एट द नॉच रीजन. वहाँ पे सिंगल ग्रोइंग पॉइंट रहता है. इसमें मोस्टली जो पॉलीगोनल एज वेल एज क्लोरेनकैमेटस सेल्स इसके अंदर रहते हैं. ऑल्सो दिस गेमा कंटेन्स or it is also called as the oil cells because these gamma cups contains the oil cells. So these gamma are कैसे रहते तो बीच में थिक रहते और साइड जो मार्जिन रहती है वो थिन मार्जिन्स रहती है. But when these gamma cups are formed or they found the suitable substratum, then they will be at the growing they will be developed the rhizoids at the from the central region they develop the rhizoids. So from one gamma cup they will be formed the two daughter cells. So they can develop two thalli structure. That is they develop male as well as female gametophyte. So this is the vegetative reproduction in Markensia. Mostly it is happen in the three types, that is fragmentation, adventitious branches, and gamma formation. So I hope all of you are understand these vegetative reproduction in Markensia. So now I stop here.